The Caesar is a French self-propelled 155mm 52 caliber gun-howitzer installed on a 6x6 truck chassis. Examples built for the French Army use a Renault Sherpa 10 chassis. Examples built for export utilize the 6x6 Unimog U2450L chassis. The Caesar platform was developed by the former GIAT Industries and is operated by the Danish, French, Indonesian, Lebanese Saudi Arabian, Thai, and Ukrainian militaries. Caesar was developed in the 1990s as a technology demonstrator by the French state-owned company GIAT Industries in cooperation with Lohr Industry. It was first shown in public in 1994. 4 years later, a pre-production model underwent trials with the French Army. The Caesar is a wheeled, 155mm 52 caliber self-propelled howitzer. It holds 18 rounds and is typically operated by a crew of 5, though if necessary, the Caesar can be operated by as few as 3 persons. It can be transported by C-130 or A-400M and has a firing range of approximately 42 km using an extended range, full-bore shell, and more than 50 km using rocket-assisted shells. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.